In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a beat on Soundtrap. We'll start by heading to the Soundtrap website, the online studio for music creators. Once you're on the main page, go ahead and choose Login so you can access your projects and the studio. On the Login screen, select Login with Google. Follow the prompt and choose your Google account to continue. If you're already signed in, Soundtrap will take you right into your workspace without extra steps. After you're in, navigate to your projects area. Find the project that contains the beat you want to change, then open it in Studio. This launches the full editor where you can see your tracks, timeline, and controls. Inside the studio, click the track that contains the beat you want to speed up. Selecting it isn't strictly required for changing tempo, but it helps you focus on the part you'll be listening to most closely as you make adjustments. Now look for the tempo control along the top of the studio. Tempo is measured in BPM, beats per minute, and it determines how fast your entire project plays. A higher BPM means a faster, more energetic feel. A lower BPM slows things down. Take note of the current BPM so you know your starting point. Increase the tempo to the new speed you're aiming for. You can drag the value up or type an exact BPM if you already know the number you want. A good approach is to make small changes at first, like 2 to 5 BPM, then listen to how the groove feels. MIDI and most loops will snap to the new tempo seamlessly. If your project includes recorded audio, Soundtrap may need to stretch those clips to keep them in time at the faster speed. When you're happy with the new value, click Apply to confirm the change. You'll see the project update to the new BPM, and playback will reflect the faster pace immediately. If Soundtrap presents an option to reconcile your clips, click Adjust. This tells the studio to align and time stretch your regions to the updated tempo so everything stays locked to the grid and in sync. It reduces drifting and keeps transitions tight across tracks. Give the project a thorough listen. Start from a few different sections and pay attention to how the kick, snare, and bass are landing together. If it feels too rushed, reopen the tempo control and nudge it down. If it needs more energy, bump it up a bit and apply again. For the cleanest results, avoid extreme jumps in a single move. Gradual steps help minimize artifacts in audio clips. And that's it. You've successfully sped up your beat in Soundtrap using the built-in tempo controls.